Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common household issue that many of us have faced: black mold in the bathroom. Not only is it unsightly, but it can also pose health risks if left untreated. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to safely and effectively remove black mold from your bathroom. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Gather your supplies. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need gloves, a mask, safety goggles, a scrub brush, a bucket, white vinegar, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and water. Make sure to wear proper protective gear to avoid any exposure to the mold. Step 2. Ventilation is key. Before you start, ensure that your bathroom is well ventilated. Open a window and, if possible, use a fan to help circulate the air. This will minimize your exposure to mold spores. Step 3. Prepare the cleaning solution. Next, let's create our cleaning solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. You can also add a teaspoon of dish soap for extra cleaning power. This solution is effective in killing mold on various surfaces. Step 4. Apply the cleaning solution. Spray the cleaning solution onto the moldy areas. Allow it to sit for about 10-15 minutes. Vinegar is a natural antifungal and will help break down the mold. Step 5. Scrub and remove. Put on your gloves and use a scrub brush to gently scrub away the mold. If you encounter stubborn areas, you can make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply the paste, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub it off. Step 6. Rinse and dry. To further disinfect the area, spray hydrogen peroxide onto the surface. Hydrogen peroxide is effective against mold and mildew. Let it sit for 10 minutes before wiping it clean. Step 8. Prevent future mold growth. Prevention is key. Make sure your bathroom is well ventilated after showers and baths. Consider using a dehumidifier to reduce excess moisture. Regularly clean and dry your bathroom surfaces to prevent mold from returning. Step 9. Monitor and seek professional help. Keep an eye on your bathroom for any signs of mold regrowth. If the problem persists or if you have a large mold infestation, it's best to seek professional help. They have the expertise and tools to handle more serious cases. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to safely and effectively remove black mold from your bathroom. Remember, safety first. Always wear the appropriate protective gear and ensure proper ventilation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember that dealing with mold can be potentially hazardous. If you have severe mold problems or health concerns, it's best to consult professionals. This video is intended for informational purposes only. Stay mold-free and see you in the next video.